very shortly we're going to open the show. I'd like to welcome you all to the show. The bridge and a pair of scissors all ready for the event opening. I'd like to first say thank you very much to all of you for coming today. You will make on a great event, and hopefully the weather will hold out for us. If it stays like this, it will be perfect. So, if you'd like to accompany me, Topper, down to the end, and we shall do the official opening of the show. Okay, for our second show, we're being opened by Topper. There we go, the show is now open. Thank you very much, and thank you, Topper.
Thank you.
If you want to come and visit Topper, then he's parked over on the top of the show near the traders area with his lovely standard blue car. Please do go over and visit. He has got video and things like that he's going to be doing throughout the day. I'm going to be shutting the gates to the show now. We will be open to the public, but the main thoroughfare for cars is going to be shut. And I would like you all to stay if you can to the end of the show, because for security reasons and health and safety, we don't need cars moving around the show. But thank you very much for all coming. Okay, for all of you, you may have noticed that we have our live jazz band right now, so just by street control. We're going to watch...
Now you're pushing it.
Flying lap.